Hey guys, welcome back to Husband and Wife Outdoor Life. Ashley and Matt here, and as you can see, we're back in the ice fishing shanty. And check this out. Woo! Couple keepers on the ice. Hoping to do a little catch and cook for you, and hopefully we can catch a few more. All right, Matt is on the board.
Yeah.
We got one tip up was robbed, and we've had a few like perch come through on camera, but this is the only one to bite so far.
I've been skunked 5 out of 7 of the trips we've gone on, so I will take this. Goes in the W column.
Hashtag not skunked. Well, Matt apparently knows what he's doing. He got another one there. A little.
They ain't big.
Here, let me. Just a little guy. We're gonna let him go.
It counts. I'm at 2.
Come on, little buddy.
Master angler.
There he goes. Didn't like it. There's a big one coming towards you now. It's a little nicer one. Looks like he's gonna do it. Come on, baby. Looks like a bigger one, don't it? Let him take it.
Has he got it?
Yep. Oh yeah. Nice one. Get him in, get him in.
Trying to film fish number 5, but she's about to get a bite, so.
Matt's got a keeper and we got fish down there, so we're gonna keep fishing. Well, finally got one. Not a keeper. But Matt's got one keeper and we got a little school here, so we're gonna keep fishing. But yeah, we're gonna let him go.
Trying to film and fish. Ashley just got a real nice keeper, bigger than mine. So we might be having a fish fry there, H-Wall team. Look at that. That's a real fish. Yeah, so I'm gonna set back in because we're on the school, but hey, who knew that 10:30, 11 o'clock bite was a thing?
Oh, he's coming after you, Matt. He just went after it. I watched him chase it down. Big one.
He missed out. What's this?
I don't know, Matt's on 6 or 7.
6 or 7.
That's another nice one. I don't know if we're gonna
2
keep
for
that
you.
one though. You want me to take him off quick?
Yeah.
Show the camera. Well, we just reeled in a double. I think Matt's is a little smaller. We're gonna throw both of them back though. I don't think he's a keeper. Bye. You want me to take him off?
Yeah. Caught that one on camera. That was neat.
Yeah. That's cool.
Oh, there's a little bigger one.
Yeah, there's a couple bigger ones down there right now.
Ashley just got one, but this one is declaring evasive maneuvers. Just leapt off. We're at probably 10 each. Not all the keepers in the world, but it is better than like most of the trips we go on. We're really having good luck here. We got a couple keepers, so there might be a fish fry in the future.
Yeah.
Are you gonna eat it or just bump it with your face? Swam past.
Yep, here you go. Oh, there's another one.
No, it's like a real fish. I mean, hard to tell from this view.
Here's a nicer one. Oh yeah. Oh, he hit it hard. Ooh, that is a nicer one.
I don't know if it's food, but
No.
it's still nice.
You reeled him right all the way up to the edge. Give me, open the bail. Oh, he hammered that.
It's so fun when you can watch them.
That one in the back is a lot bigger. That's all I got left of your worm. Put that on there, but...
I'm going down with that one. Look at the tangly and shit. The bell is still open.
Oh, that's a bigger one, man.
Well, I'm down there without a worm. Trying not to hook you. Right back. I like them. This is not a day where I would want to fish without the shanty.
No. Pretty windy out there. Him in the camera. Yes!
There you go.
Little guy. You get to go back. That messed up the camera. You hit that on the drop. Forgot the ice scoop, of course. Left it in the truck.
It's my fault for even asking you. If I didn't ask you, you would have been like, hey, I know.
It's alright.
It wouldn't be a husband-wife outdoor life trip if we didn't forget.
Like 100
100
things.
things.
Got him?
It's a baby!
It's a little one.
Looked impressive on camera. I think we gotta be like 15s.
I don't know, I think we've caught quite a few.
I mean, like each. Go down. Rangy. Well, between the two of us, I'd say well over 20. Probably 25.
Yeah.
Keepers, that's an easier number to keep track of.
You just hit the bottom, I saw you.
Oh, it's cold.
When is it? It's already noon. Any tip-ups?
Nope.
Huh.
What time are you thinking?
These have been unproductive. We only had one bite on the tip-up. And the flag went up and I got super excited about it. Oh, there's a fish. 2 fish. But
Oh, I want that second.
I went out there to get it. There was no fish on it, but they took our minnow, so something hit it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the ice is making noise today. It's so cold that it's making ice and it makes that booming noise when it does that from the pressure. And we can definitely hear it today. It's not as bad as when we were in Gaylord though. That was really booming that year.
Mm-hmm.
As much as the ice booms are scary sounding, it's actually a good sound. It means you're making ice.
Unlike the laser sound.
It sounds like
it sounds like Star Wars. Like there's a video of a Dutch dude trying to sail on one of the ice skate on one of the Amsterdam canals when there was like barely skim ice, and you could see the ice cracking, and it sounds like Star Wars.
You got fish coming after you.
He already turned them. I'm telling you, they make like laser noises.
I never did like fully set this thing up, but I guess you don't really have to.
Yeah. Here, I got enough surface.
You're gonna play me ice cracking sounds while we're ice fishing?
Absolutely.
That does not sound like a good idea.
I'm not gonna turn it up too much. Here, hear the otherworldly sounds of skating on thin ice. After a CoverGirl ad. This part cannot go in the video.
Oh, okay, I see what you mean by Star Wars. Yeah, that's pretty.
It sounds like lasers.
Turn it off.
Do.
That was funny.
I don't know if I should jigger now.
He's attacking it. Oh.
They like it if you jig sometimes, other times it scares them.
I think it like brings them in, but then when they bite it, they want it sitting still. At least that seems to be the case today.
But don't they hunt fish? Like
They hunt like little plankton and freshwater shrimp, and in this lake I'm not really sure what their main food source is. Here's one after you. This is the first time we've been on this lake, so the fact that our very first spot that we tried ended up in 2 keepers and a bunch of smalls, I'm not complaining.
better than
We should have had more out of that bigger school, but we were so unorganized. And we've pretty much always had fish on, like, in our general vicinity. We can see them. They're not big monsters, but they're here.
But they are fish. I've caught fish. That was my goal for this.
You caught 3 before I even caught 1.
I wasn't even thinking about keepers. I wasn't thinking about fillets. I'm thinking about pizza tonight, to be honest.
Pizza? Yeah, I got a clean fish tonight now. Decided to keep a couple, so maybe we'll make this a little catch and cook video for you guys later. Might be kind of fun. Here's one coming after you.
Yeah, they'll make like 4 fish sticks and then we can have some pizza. No, that's a perch. Every once in a while when I see stuff skulking, I wonder if it's the next walleye. Because we've seen the 2.
That's a big one, isn't it? No.
It's a sardine.
Sometimes they just look big when they come at the camera at that angle.
You have to like just kind of look at their proportion of eye and head size.
Yeah, if they got like a big googly eye, they're not big. Also their belly size, I noticed. Like that sag.
Their bellies are harder to see.
The round shape versus the long skinny shape. Ooh, he's gonna hit you. He's gonna hit you. Got him.
You got the camera too.
Oh. Don't got him. Got the camera. That's good.
If you were recording, that would have been really funny. I see a fish.
Is that fish or weeds?
There's a fish. Swimming to the left, near the top left.
He's flying.
As much as
Did you see that perch was missing half his tail?
Oh no, I didn't. That'll perch.
Well, that one was a fish. I think the fish tangled in the line and I lost him. I don't know. Maybe not. Oh, fish. Coming after you.
No, foreground coming after you. Oh, there's you.
Oh, I see me. I might have to grab some snacks. That boy's like a little fish stick though.
I was gonna say, he's like, that lure's gonna eat me. I can't do it. It'll win the fight.
Big school on you. One's nibbling on you.
one is hitting the camera. It's trying to get to you. Might be a real one. Oh, I have one.
You got a double. Camera's rolling too. Yay!
You got its bigger brother.
Still not a keeper though. Little guy.
Yeah, mine's a minnow.
6-incher or something.
Don't you spite me. Hoo-hoo, each round.
It's easier if you grab him here.
That's where the spinies are.
Yeah, but his fins aren't long enough, see? He's little.
You say that, and you forget I'm a baby with soft hands.
Yay, we got one on camera. Only took all day. That's how it happens though. They just school up and you go without seeing a fish for that's a big one, ain't it? No.
Camera always adds a lot.
You go without seeing a fish for 5-10 minutes and then all of a sudden they
bite.
There's one.
I don't see myself anymore.
Are you down all the way?
I don't know. Either I'm not down all the way or I plunged into the sediment.
There you are.
Okay, there.
There's one over there too. Oh, there was one on me, but he was little.
Yeah, they're not big.
A group of big ones to come back through.
Like 1 or 2 more cubes.
Oh, I thought he was gonna hit you.
There might be 1 or 2 circling back to you.
Looks like he's gonna hit you. Nope.
No tip-ups.
Alright, that school went through. I'm gonna save that one because I don't want to lose.
So it should be. Oh! Something jingled it. And did not bite. Oh, that's better.
That's amazing how quick it shuts down. Ooh, nice one. Oh.
Nope. He fought like a nice one.
Got him? Or you want me to get him?
You're just not patient. I'll get him eventually. Oh.
Oh, I got you. Sorry.
That's okay. Dinner's gonna be so. Tip-ups up.
Need gloves this time.
And fish on camera. Unlike normal ice fishing, for us, this is literally so exciting we cannot gear everything at the same time. Different problem than we normally have. Oh, I think we have keeper number 3 on the tip-up. I can hear her outside. Oh, that's a nice one. Let me get my phone out. Oh my gosh, the tip-up worked. It is a red letter day. This is the first tip-up success, I think, right?
Yeah, first ever.
That might be the 2nd or 3rd biggest fish we have.
Is this recording?
Yes.
Woo-hoo.
Look at that, lad.
Oh. Sorry, camera, I couldn't take you out with me.
was too fast. That was like you had just set that.
Just set that.
Look at that. Second or third biggest?
Third, probably.
Well, it's a keeper.
Yeah, he nailed it. He inhaled it, actually. Gotta get the pliers.
And he lost his lunch.
That's what they kept hitting on, the same tip up. This little old, came literally out of an old tackle box my dad found in the house and gave to me. It was this little guy. Chartreuse guy with a treble hook and a big minnow, big walleye minnow. And to give you an idea, that big perch just slammed that. Got one?
It was bait compared to you. Tip up. I went for it.
You got it? You do. Another one down there.
Slime. Stop. Don't. Slime.
I'm gonna go reset this. And fix the heater.
We're setting it again?
Yeah, why not? It's the only one working.
My hat's gonna need to be washed. I just readjusted it with fish hands.
That hat needs to be washed anyway.
Here.
Alright. I don't know if the camera caught that. I didn't take it out with me. It's very, very windy outside and very, very cold. But that flag went up again, so I went out there and it had a big fish on it, I could tell, and the drag was peeling. Finally got it up through the hole, which was like frozen. I had to push the ice down, and it was a big fish. And we thought it was going to be the third biggest, but it's actually the second biggest that we've caught. So
9 inches?
a little over 9, so I just measured it out there. But yeah, that happens to be our very first tip up fish, so that's for us, so that's really exciting. We caught it on the iFish Pro tip up, which I can show you guys later. The HT ones haven't gone off yet, but that one's gone off 3 times, and the third time I had a fish in it, and I took a minnow out there to reset it, and as I'm setting it, I catch 2 more fish just in that hole, so maybe I should just be jigging out there. I would if it wasn't blasted cold out.
Yeah, it was like 15 with wind.
Yeah.
So
it's like too cold to be outside right now without a shanty, so. Yep, so we're gonna jig in here a little bit more, and I think we're gonna call it quits around 2 o'clock and head up for dinner, so we got some fish to clean and stuff, but now we have 3, so really one more like that size would make a really decent meal for just the 2 of us, which is nice, so. Yeah.
If we get like 10, we can have a whole party and do a fish fry.
The next tip up that goes up, we're going to take the camera out. Hopefully there'll be a fish on it for you, which means we're not going to catch another tip up fish, but sorry I didn't bring you. I just trying to get that first one on the tip up. You know how exciting that is. There's a fish down there. But we got hot coffee and a heater going in here, so it's very, very comfortable right now. Whew. We're finally de-thawing a little bit. It's cold out there. I mean, I think it's only, what, like 16 degrees normally, but with the wind, it's probably less than 1. It really was supposed to calm down a little bit today, but it didn't, so I don't know. Maybe it's just not going to calm down. That's alright. Bubbling?
Sure. Thank you. Normally I'd be in a beer. Actually, with catching fish like this, not that many. this place.
Now that I know those things work, I keep checking them.
It was down for so long. And then when it went up 3 times in a row, boom, boom, boom.
And then I caught 3 fish right there in the hole.
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy. As soon as I put it down, it'd be boom, down it would go. What the heck?
Don't give 2 flying figs about the other 2. They're like...
They might be frozen in.
I don't know. Or I'm wondering if with the wind you had to set the things so... How do I want, like, strictly? Like you
It
had to make
should
it
still
so
trip though,
stable.
even with the wind thing on. With a perch that size, it should still trip.
Hey everybody, don't know if you can hear out there, but the wind is really howling and the weather is getting worse, so we are packing up. Final count's about 3 keepers and at least 25 to 30 little babies. So we had a lot of fun in the 5 hours or so we were here. We would definitely come back out here again, and we hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with us. Stay tuned for our next adventure.
Did not get skunked. Woo! Sounds good, eh?
Eh. You said sounds good, A, and I responded A.
Sounds good, eh?
A.
The red button on top.